their manners and they jump or nibble, but he's done pretty good. Yeah, he's going to actually, he'll be with me for a couple of years, and then when he grows up, he'll be helping somebody that maybe can't walk or can't get around on their own. Good boy, Eddie. Yes, you may pet him.
Hi, Spot. How are you doing?
Good boy, Eddie.
Nice dog.
Good boy. Good boy. Let's come over here. Let's come over here. Good boy, Eddie. Good boy. Oh, Sneaker's your favorite. Leave.
Sneakers. Eddie.
Good. Good boy, Eddie. Oh, and gloves too. Boy, here it's like being in the bathroom for him. All the clothes, huh? Good. Good boy, Eddie. Okay, this is great. Thank you so much. Doesn't seem scared.
No, not at all.
Yeah, not even around like the big trucks and everything. He seems perfectly fine. So.
Should I put a pack on?
Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, see,
changes his
point of view. Yeah, that'd be great. Good boy.
What's the clicker for?
That tells him he's doing the right thing. Good boy.
What are you doing? Papa, what is he doing?
When he gets bigger, he's going to have to know how to be around people that are different, that wear different clothing, and a firefighter would have different clothes on. Good. That's great.
Hey, Mrs. Sorensen, I got a question for you.
Yes.
Come
Oh,
over here a second.
let's go. Let's go, Eddie. Good boy. Here.
Yeah, he doesn't.
It's not too bad. Here, let's give you. Let you. Here, Eddie. Good. That's a positive thing. Yeah. Here, we'll give him some more. Good, Eddie.
Come here, Eddie.
Good boy. Good boy, Eddie. All right. So
You're okay.
Thank you. Eddie. Let's go. Eddie. Let's go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy.
Yeah.